Hello guys, this is Paul Okoro here. Welcome to my tutorial for today. In case you're joining us for the first time, please do well to like, share, send us your comment on the comment section, and don't forget to turn on your notification button so that anytime we have a new video, you'll be able to see it and watch. Okay, so today I'll be showing you how you can create or you can sign your signature in After Effects using a plugin called 3D Stroke. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'll open my After Effects, go to new project, go to composition, new composition. You can call it signature comp. Okay, you can leave our settings as it is. You okay it. So the next thing I'm going to do, I want to create a new solid layer. So I'll go to layer, here, go to new, go to solid. But I can just use my Control and Y button on the keyboard. All right, so I can leave it as, can make comp size. The color doesn't really matter. You can give it any color of your choice. All right, so okay. All right. So the next thing I want to do now is to go to my effect and plugin to look for my 3D stroke. So this plugin I want to use now is a third-party plugin I downloaded online. It's called 3D stroke. You can search out for it and use it. So you type 3D stroke. So I'll highlight my solid layer, then drag and put on the 3D stroke. See, if you come to effect control, see that the attributes of the effect, they are all here. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to pick my pen tool. All right, highlight my solid layer which has the 3D stroke on it. So let's say if the signature you want to do is a little bit complicated, probably what you can do is to, sign it on a plain sheet of paper and bring it in here. Then use your pen tool to trace it. Afterwards, you can now animate it to write. Or if it's something you can easily sign on your own using your pen tool, you can just go ahead and do it. So in this case now, so I want to go ahead and sign it on my own. So I pick my pen tool and highlight this. Let's say this is a signature I want to sign. Let's say this is someone's signature. Let me just, so I drop my tool, pick it up, take up a new design. Maybe this is how the signature looks like. I'm just trying to adjust it. I'm just assuming. It's not that this is not my signature. Neither is, it's just for tutorial sake. So I think it's even better you sign the signature you want, then bring it in here and trace it with this. So let's just assume that this is someone's signature. Let's just assume this is someone's signature. All right. So having trace or sign the signature. So the next thing we'll do now is to come and do one or two adjustments on this. So if you watch very well, you can see how thick you want your stroke to be or your write-up. If you increase here, see it will increase. If you reduce it will reduce. So let's just keep it like 5. All right. And now if you watch here, you will see I want us to hide this mask. If you watch this small button here, if you click it, it will hide. So let's animate the right. So if you watch very well, you see where you have your start and your end. Simply means where you want how you want it to start. Are you seeing it? So let's animate this. Let's on this end, let's toggle on our animation button. So let's say at 2 minutes, so at 2 seconds, let this animate to 100. See it? If it's too slow, you increase it. Okay, I think probably what I would have done is to create a new solid layer and apply the effect so that this one can come separately. So to do that, so let me delete this. Then click another Control Y. We just create another stroke. Then apply our 3D stroke to it. Then just take my pen and draw a new one. Having done that, use this to 5 so that it can be the same size with this. Right. So that as this one is ending from here, this one is starting. You go to the point, click your listener at this point, where this one ends, go to your end, bring it down to 0. As it's ending, this one is starting. So let's see it. Sorry, let me open this. Okay, so this thing should be at 0, not 6. All right, so let's see what we have so far. Okay, so this thing looks a little bit slow, so we can reduce the duration at which animates. Let's make it 1 minute, and bring this one here. Shift this one like this. Okay. All right, so the next we can do is to probably just adjust the easy keyframe. Just highlight the whole of the keyframe here. Go to F9 to easy keyframe. Then highlight this. Go to your graph. Want it to move views then land. Okay, come here. Same. Want to go with force and land slowly. Let me know this curve. So let's see what we have here. So probably at this point now we can extend this frame here. So it will last a little bit longer. So there are a lot we'll be creating with this 3D stroke This is just like a beginner. So a lot. So maybe you can just add a background to this. To do that, let's go to, let's create a new solid layer. Control Y, bring this down. It's black. So if you, from here now, let's go to this, change it to black. So it will appear. Change it to black. There's on the stroke effect. Let's hide this. Okay, so this is what we have here. This is just a tutorial. So if you have your signature, you can take time to fine tune it how you want it to be. This is just to tell you how this works. But if you're watching my tutorial for the first time, please do well to like, share, and send us your comments of what you think in the comment section. And don't forget to turn on your notification button so that whenever we have a new, you'll be able to see it to watch. Till see you again. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.